For thousands of years, cooking has been one of the most human of arts. From family recipes passed down through generations to Michelin-starred masterpieces, food has always been about creativity, culture, and care. But now, a new player is stepping into the kitchen. Artificial intelligence isn't just writing essays or making music. It's learning to cook. The question is simple. Could robots one day replace chefs? And later in this video, I'll reveal one jaw-dropping experiment where an AI-powered robot cooked a full menu in a restaurant kitchen with paying customers who didn't even realize the food wasn't made by humans. Let's start with what's already happening. In Japan, restaurants have long used robots for simple tasks like flipping burgers, making sushi, or serving drinks. These aren't science fiction prototypes. They're working today. In some cases, a single robotic arm can prepare hundreds of meals a day with perfect consistency. But the real leap comes from pairing robotics with machine learning. Imagine a system that doesn't just follow a recipe, but actually learns how to cook better over time. Cambridge researchers trained a robot chef using videos of humans preparing meals. The machine watched, learned, and then replicated the process, adjusting its technique until the dish matched the original. That's not just automation. That's imitation, refinement, and learning. Here's the hook. Once robots can learn how to cook, they can also invent. Some AI systems are already being used by major food companies to design new recipes. IBM's famous Chef Watson experimented with flavor pairings that humans rarely think of, like chocolate with blue cheese, or unusual spice blends that turned out surprisingly delicious. By analyzing thousands of recipes and chemical flavor profiles, the system could suggest combinations most chefs would never attempt. It wasn't just copying, it was innovating. So what does this mean for restaurants? Supporters argue it could be a revolution. Robots don't get tired, they don't burn food, they don't call in sick. For fast food chains or large cafeterias, robotic kitchens could deliver consistent, affordable meals at scale. That's great news for efficiency, and for customers who want reliable quality. But critics point to what could be lost. Food is not just fuel, it's culture, it's comfort. It's the personal touch of a chef who seasons by feel, or a grandmother who knows exactly when the sauce tastes right. Can an algorithm ever replace the intuition and soul of human cooking? Let's add another real-world case. In South Korea, a company called Woowa Brothers has deployed cooking robots in several restaurants. These machines prepare fried chicken, one of Korea's most popular dishes, with near-perfect consistency. Customers can't tell the difference between the robot-cooked version and the human-made one, and in some blind taste tests, they actually preferred the robot's food. Meanwhile, in the home kitchen, AI is starting to appear in surprising ways. Samsung has demonstrated its Bot Chef, a robotic arm designed to chop, stir, and even assist with plating at home. Moley Robotics unveiled a fully automated kitchen system with robotic arms that can prepare thousands of recipes at the push of a button. Even smart ovens now use machine learning to recognize food placed inside and adjust cooking times automatically. For ordinary families, these devices hint at a future where cooking could be less about effort and more about choice. Tell the system what you want, and dinner appears. That's where the debate sharpens. If you can't tell whether a dish was made by a person or a machine, does it matter? If the flavor, presentation, and nutrition are all excellent, is cooking still an art? Or has it become a science? And here's the paradox. For everyday meals, people may not care if a machine made it. They just want tasty, affordable food. But at the highest levels of fine dining, where creativity and emotion matter most, the role of the human chef may become more important than ever. Just as photography didn't kill painting, robot kitchens may not kill haute cuisine. Instead, they could split the industry, with machines dominating mass cooking, while humans double down on artistry. Cultural attitudes also play a role. In Japan, automation in ramen shops and sushi restaurants has been embraced as a way to deliver quick, reliable meals. Customers often see efficiency as part of the service. But in countries like France, where cuisine is seen as cultural heritage, the idea of robots replacing chefs sparks outrage. There, cooking is tied to artistry, pride, and tradition, things people feel cannot be outsourced to code. This divide raises an important point. The acceptance of robotic cooking may depend as much on culture as on technology. There are also risks. Kitchen robots are expensive, raising fears that small family-run restaurants could be pushed out by large chains with deep pockets. Jobs could vanish as cooks, line chefs, and even servers are replaced by automation. And there's the deeper concern. When you remove the human from cooking, do you remove the heart of the meal? On the flip side, some argue that robot chefs could empower home cooks. Imagine a kitchen assistant that preps your ingredients, monitors your stove, and even suggests new dishes based on what's in your fridge. Instead of replacing human creativity, it could expand it, freeing people from the boring or difficult parts of cooking so they can focus on experimenting and enjoying food. And here's the twist I promised. In 2022, a restaurant in Shanghai quietly ran an experiment. An AI-powered kitchen prepared an entire menu from appetizers to desserts for paying customers. Most diners had no idea the chefs were machines until after the meal. Many even praised the creativity of the dishes. The results raised a chilling question. If robots can already fool us in the kitchen today, what will they be capable of tomorrow? So what do you think? Would you happily eat food cooked entirely by robots? Or is there something sacred about the human touch in the kitchen? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And here's the deal. I'll feature the most thought-provoking answers in a future video. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Unlocked, where every week we explore the breakthroughs, the risks, and the future of artificial intelligence. Because the future isn't coming. It's already here.